So, welcome to the next episode of How to Sell on eBay. In this episode, I'm going to be going more into the Facebook Marketplace and going through kind of my product research tactics, I guess, but not like in the Amazon sense. Just how I product research to sell on eBay. Going into it, you can look over my shoulder what I think of the products and like how I work out how much I think I can make and how I search for them to see if they are in demand, if they're not in demand, if I can make money, and just that general process. So let's not waste any time in getting straight into Facebook. So this is me on my marketplace. I'm just going to show you like the first rule that I normally go to straight away, and the first thing I do, which is set a minimum price. And normally, like my minimum price personally is around £80 to £100 because I feel this is the best price point to filter out all of like the not so good items and the things you can't really make money on from the items that are actually going to make you money. And I'm just going to show you what I mean by this now. Like if I just scroll for here, straight away you've got like a printer. This makes here for £5. Just like these headphones, Apple Mac Mini like thing. This thing for £5. Some games like steering wheels, Xbox 360 controllers. I never really do too well with subwoofers and things like that. And just as you can see, there's just loads of just like, it's obviously not rubbish, but it's just old like tat stuff that just people are just listing on eBay, just trying to make like their 15-20 quid back, and it's nothing that we can make money on. So the first thing that I go ahead and do is, probably for this video, I'm going to set this to £80 and then just see what comes up, and it's probably going to be like this, a lot better stuff that we can go into. So normally I would check this, I would check this. I don't really look at Macs and computers too much because a lot of things can go wrong with them. But just you don't need any background experience in what you're checking any of this. I never ever bought speakers. I thought it was ridiculous people paid that much money for speakers. I've never played an instrument in my life. Never like got into DJing, nothing like that. You don't need to know anything about these products. So straight away I'd look at this, that looks very good. I'd love to check this out and see what it's about. So straight away I'll go to more and see the description that he's put in. So quite a long description. This is basically all just like copied and pasted stuff from the specifications probably. For sale 700 but open to offers, so that's perfect. Reduced to sell, so he definitely wants to get rid of it, and clearly because it's been available for over a week. So he's had it for a while, he wants to get rid of it, he's priced it to sell, and he's still open to offers because he wants to get rid of it. And this is in Falmouth, so very close to me as well. So that is perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and copy this. So I'll copy the name of that, go straight to eBay and paste it in here and see what comes up on eBay. See what prices it's selling for and some general things I'm going to go into straight after this page comes up. So we have one here that are on bids, so that's already at 180. I don't think this is the same thing, but that one's at 180. So just like the 999 cart trick on Amazon, we want to actually see our exact competitor sales. We can do something similar to that on eBay. So if we go to advanced straight away, then we're going to get taken to this page. We can go to sold listings. And the reason we want to do this is because I can go and list this product on eBay now for £999,000 or £13 billion. But that doesn't mean it's going to sell for that much. So if we go and we're looking at this product on eBay and someone's got it listed there for, I don't know, £1,000, another person's got it listed for £3,000, that's not what it's actually selling for, that's what they've listed it as. So you want to look at what this product is actually sold for. So it doesn't look like there's been that many of them actually sold. Obviously none of the ones that we're looking for, which is another indicator that I really wouldn't want to get into this because obviously the demand isn't too much there. So I would definitely discard this product for now and maybe keep my eye on it, see how it goes, and maybe even take like a gamble on it. But just from those results, that's probably not a product I would do this with. So go down a bit further, we've got some instruments here. Studio Master PX12 monitor, I would definitely look at this. I would look at this whole row and do exactly what I've like just gone in and done. Some other products, so I'd look at this, I would look at this. I wouldn't really go for the Xboxes too much because and like even PS4s or controllers, anything like that, there's just so many of them being sold. I think it's just like a race to the bottom for the price, and there's really like not too much profit to be made. So all of these bikes, you could probably look at those. It's normally like higher priced bikes that you actually make money on, but you could still have a look, there's no harm in looking. So if you've just had a look through this page, that's good, but what you can do as well is search by category. So obviously, like I said before, I'll go straight to electronics because that straight away then cuts out a lot of the other crap that we can't really make too much money on, just like the lesser like wheel bikes and things like that. So here we've got a Traktor Z2 mixer, definitely something I would like to check out and see how it goes. So it's in good condition, selling due to not enough use. So as I said 6 days ago, so that's still fairly recent. It's in Trove, which is quite close to me. It doesn't have nearest offer. That's not like a deal breaker, but it is something that I normally like to see. So let's go in here and see what it comes up with. So that is in capitals, but we'll just see if anything nice comes up even with that. So obviously at the minute we're still on sold listings. So you've got 230, around 300, 275, 300. So we're looking like around that kind of price. Let's just go off sold listings a minute and look how many products are listed so we know what our competition is at the minute. So 350, 535, 330, ideal. So all these people are listing quite high. If there was some listings on here for like 150, 200 pounds, then that kind of shows me that the product isn't really selling and these people have like left it there for a while to try and sell it. Just like another tactic you can use, to be honest, if you want to see another like bit of demand once you can see their sales, if you go back onto the sold listings, you can, or it even says it here. So this sold on 11th of June. So at the time of recording this video, let's just say that's around like 15 days ago. This is the 31st of May, so around a month ago. 29th of May, but that's not the same thing. So you can see that there's been like 2 in the past month, so this is definitely enough for me to go into it and I know it will sell. Even if it takes a month, that's fine with me, because I'd rather have £350, just because it's 350, I'd rather have £300, £500, even like 80 quid sitting right here next to me, where I know that it's going to make me money, rather than sit in my bank where I know it's not going to make me any money. And that's one of the main hurdles you've got to get over with this, is don't look at it as spending money. When anyone said to me like, oh, that keyboard's £500, this is like £600, you're really going to buy that? I don't see it as buying. I am not buying that keyboard. I'm not spending any money when I do this. What I'm doing is I'm investing in this for a month, and then in a month's time it's going to pay me back £200. I'm not spending any of my money on things. I'm just buying assets, keeping them for a month, and then they're going to make me money within that month. So you don't want to get caught up and looking at stuff and thinking, oh, that's 300 quid, it's a bit expensive for me, because you're not buying it. You're kind of just getting a product for a month and then making some money of it at the end of that month. So what else do we have here? I would definitely check out this. I would check out this. I don't want to go into all this right now because it is going to take a while to look through all of these, but you get like the general gist of like some of the things I do. So after looking a bit more, like just for a couple more minutes, I don't want to show you guys all of it because it's just quite long just looking at products. But I've found one product that I think is pretty good and something that I might think about investing in if I can get it for a good price. And I'm going to go into in the next video how to contact the people and how I get it for a lower price. Because every single product I've bought, I have never ever one time bought a product for the price it's listed on Facebook, and I get into like why and like how I get the best price in the next video. So definitely subscribe and turn the notifications on so you don't miss that one, because that one is very important. So we've got here a Glidecam HD 2000. It will fit in the car. It might not be easy to ship, but what you can do is get like go on eBay and type in bubble wrap, and you can get a massive, like seriously a huge roll of bubble wrap for like 10 quid. I'd wrap that out in bubble wrap, cover it in black tape, stick a label on it, send it off. And I'm going to go through more in terms of the shipping process in another video as well, so definitely turn those notifications on. So as we can see here, over a week ago, perfect. It's in Helston, 30-40 minutes away from me, so it depends how much profit I can make, but I'll probably be comfortable doing that. So useful, still in perfect working order, a few scratches, so that isn't great, but that's fine. Comes with a quick Manfrotto fit. Manfrotto is a good brand. I've sold some camera stands for them before. It's very good. What comes in the box? So I guess it comes with a box, and they've got this stuff with it. So if we just take the title here and put that into eBay, we should get some results. I know we will, so I've already checked this one. But if I just go and do this now, I will show you guys anyway. what I've seen, so I can tell you like exactly what I've kind of looked for. So hitting this into eBay, the results that have come up as sold, we've got 215, 200, 200, 230, 250. We probably get more around like the 200 to 215 mark probably. 18th of June, 18th of May were the times that I know is a bit tight, but so good demand. If we just go on to see the listings that are listed now, so we've got this one for 175, that's on bids. So we know that people are definitely interested. So this is great for us to see that it's on bids and it's already at £175. So that one, I don't think that's the same thing, or it's brand new. Okay, so that's why it's so expensive. But at the minute already, this is on 175. I'm going to go into more about calculating the margins and the fees in another video, but I'm still interested in this, even though this is a bit more expensive, because it's been listed for so long. If I can really lowball the price and get it for a good price, I'd definitely still consider messaging this person, even if it doesn't turn out to be a lead. So all of these products I've looked at today, even if none of them look like they could make me money, I'll still message the people just in case there's a chance, because it's been listed for so long, that I'll get a really lowball offer and I could still make some money off of that product. Even if they say no, a lot of people do still message you back in like the future. So I've got another product here that I saved. Just to show you guys another potential product that I did look at while I was like sifting through, which you guys didn't really see that bit. So here we are. In the description here it says it's got rack rash, which is just like scraping on the bottom for being on the rack. That's like fairly common, so we're not too worried about that. Works fine, can chuck in a power cable. That is definitely something we'd want to have. £200 O&O, which I said in the previous video, or nearest offer. So he's definitely open to offers. He's in St. Austell, so around like 40 minutes, 50 minutes away from me, depending whereabouts he is. Over a week ago, so that's perfect. So let's get this and take it and put it into eBay. So let's go here. We'll take out our Glidecam HD 2000, paste this in, and have a look what it's selling for. So 350, perfect. That's a lot more than what we had. £53, and that's we've already got 12 bids, so people are definitely interested. So this is definitely great news so far, and definitely a product we can already make money on, even if we get it at the £200. But I would never buy it at the price it's listed on Facebook. So let's go into the sold listings, and we have 60 and 150, which is not great. But I have looked at this, and I know why this is, and this is where you really got to pay attention to detail. So we are looking at the FD-S334. But this is the FD334T. So I guess it's like a different model, it's a lot cheaper. And if you actually go into the images and look at it, then you can clearly see that there is a T at the end of the 334, whereas there isn't in this model. So they are actually like different models, and I can only guess that this model is more expensive and a better model. So even though it's still a risk, you can take that risk if you want, even though it's not fully proven what it will sell for, but that's up to you. So that pretty much does it for this video, guys. Obviously I was searching for around 5 minutes, and those are the products I found. Every single day there's so many new products uploaded, and it's very, very easy to even make like £250 to £500 a month. Even though it's not passive, it is pretty passive. There's not much work you have to do. I'll probably search on eBay for like 30 minutes a day, message as many people as I can, and then the next day I would go pick it all up, bring it back, list it, and then while I was just doing just anything, sitting at home, just literally doing nothing, that stuff would sell, and immediately I've made £50, £100, £200 for an hour's work. So it is really, really great. If you enjoyed this video and you're looking forward to the next one, subscribe to the channel, turn those notifications on, and go back to the video, which was not the last one in this series, but the video before that, to enter in the giveaway that I am doing, because you definitely have a high chance of winning. So give the video a big thumbs up, comment below what you thought of the style of this video, and if it was helpful, anything I may have missed out you have questions about, and stuff you'd like to see in future videos, just let me know. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode of this series.